Alright guys, this is part 2 of the video for installing a body kit or a ground lowering effect kit. Here is the body kit right here. It is already painted. As you can see, I put a moving blanket down so I wouldn't scratch the paint. You can get these online or a local moving place for 10 bucks. You can use blankets or towels. So this is what I have done so far. The car is painted and the tape is on the kit, and in the part 1 video I explained about surface energy and using adhesion promoter, and before I had used the spray thinking they would work the same, and from the help of other YouTube videos and advice from more experienced body guys with this style of application, we decided to go ahead and use these 3M adhesion promoter wipes, and they're like $1 a packet. They don't get you as far as you think they would. For example, one packet will do maybe, if you're wiping the area where the red tape is, I want to say half of this kit, and this is probably 3-4 feet wide. So just to be a big reminder to it's always good to have more than not enough. So yesterday I was able to get some of the tape on the kit with the time I had, and today I went out and bought more so I wouldn't run out today. So right now what I'm doing, I'm taking this is my erase board marker I use for jotting notes in my calendar. This will work fine. I usually use tape or a grease pen, and I just ran out the other day, so I'm gonna make do with what we have. So it's important to mock your kit, as this one had issues aligning and the body lines have been kind of tricky to get as far as looking nice and flush. So what we'll do is we'll hold the kit up. It's good to have two people, but I'm kind of lone wolfing it today. You can line the kit up to where you think all of your body lines are going to look flush, and you can mark all the areas where the tape is going to hold onto the body. So for example, the tape is going to hold right in these areas, so that's where you'll be using the adhesion promoter wipes, all along your tape area as well as down below. So right now we're just mocking it up to see where exactly the adhesion promoter is going. We'll make any marks if we need to, and what we'll do is we'll pull the tape off here in one side, and we'll pull this section off, and we'll slowly make our way down as we firmly press the kit onto the body. Now just make sure the car is wiped down, either primarily with a wet rag. Let the surface dry. In video 1 I explained using a degreaser. It evaporates very quickly, similar to acetone. Acetone and degreaser are different though, so this is important to have if you're going to be doing any kind of paint or body. It's about $15 a gallon. There's different types of degreasers. This one's pretty generic. You can see the chemicals: isopropylene, ethyl benzene, xylene, all that stuff. So I'm not going to drag this video out too long because it can get kind of boring. So go ahead, make sure your steps are done correctly. Apply the tape first on the kit. Make sure you have pressed it down firmly, which I have done before the video. Get out your adhesion promoter, your marker if need be. Make sure it's degreased. I've already done these steps. And slowly go ahead and put the body kit on. And one thing I've noticed about this tape is once you do apply it, pulling it back off isn't good, so don't stress out about it. Do the best you can as far as applying it. If for some reason you do need to pull it off, try to not touch the tape, because the grease and dust on your fingers will lose the sticky adhesive part. And as far as mounting it, try to do it in warm weather. I talked to a few 3M techs, and the tape likes to be bonding to a panel that is in a temperature greater than 65 degrees. Alright guys, I'll make another video when it's all done.